We don't watch much television, but the shows we do watch, we do so at our convenience. This TiVo does not have the subscription service. You really have to question your judgment anytime there has to be a subscription. Yes, sometimes, such as for phone service that is a continuing expense for the company, a subscription plan is warranted. But when you buy something that does not cost the company a continuing expense, or that expense is covered by other programs not associated with you, you should think twice about buying a subscription. Software is an excellent example. For me, I want hard copies, such as discs, and I will only pay once, and when in 5 or 10 years it's time to get a newer copy, I will buy another copy of the software. Actually, with Linux, most versions of it, the software is free. You support Linux something like public television with donations. You send a few dollars to the software you want to support. If it's good software, they make enough in donations to continue to upgrade. So it's very important to me to fix this TiVo box that was getting very noisy. I knew it was the fan, and that the fan they had inside would be a cheap fan that would only last for a few years. So I bought the same style of fan, but it was a better quality, that is the same voltage and the same size, and set to work to replace the fan. Why? Because I don't think TiVo offers a non-subscription TiVo box. So I invite you to come along as I switch out the fan. I won't be pontificating during the repair. You will be able to see what I'm doing. This doesn't need a talk about. for watching. Before we go, thank you to our subscribers who helped us reach over the 1,000 subscription mark. It's very humbling to receive the support from our subscribers. Thank you. I will always try to give you accurate information, and I'm not worried if you disagree in comments. Just remember, youngsters may read your words. Well, this is the old farmer Scott Bain saying, be well, be safe, and be kind to someone today.
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, share, or ring the bell buttons on the original Old Farmer channel. We enjoy reading the comments that you leave, and they do help the channel, so keep them coming. And once again, thank you for watching the original Old Farmer.
The VFW National Home for Children, providing families of veterans and active duty military opportunities for growth and development in a nurturing community. Please consider a donation to help their children and families. I.C. Rhodes speaking.